In this video, I will show you how to connect your modem to the WME-Term software running on your PC via a serial port. Let's get started. After connecting the modem and launch the WME-Term application, enter your login details and click to the Login button. If you haven't changed the password and are using the factory settings, you don't need to enter anything to the user and password fields. Just leave these as they are and click to the Login button. Once you are logged into the WME-Term application, the first step is to select the type of your modem. I have a WME2S modem, so I will choose that tile from the screen. If you have a different type, just select the appropriate device. Now it's time to create a serial port configuration profile. On the left edge of the screen, at the Connection Type tab, click to the Serial tab to open. At this part, you can create a new connection profile or edit, delete an existing one. Now let's create a new profile by choosing the Create button. To keep things organized, give a unique name to the connection profile at Connection Name field. This will help you distinguish between different profile setups later. If your modem has an AECL password or a configuration password, you can enter to the corresponding fields. My modem doesn't require them, so I'll leave these blank now. Next, select the communication port, the COM port where your modem is connected to. Mine is using COM number 10, so I'll pick that from the drop-down list. If you're unsure which serial port your modem is connected to, then you can easily check it. Press the Windows and X keys in the same time. In this case, a new pop-up menu will appear at the bottom left. Please select the Device Manager item. Then the Device Manager of the Windows system will appear, where you need to expand the Ports, COM and LPT section to see the current serial ports. If your modem is properly connected, the COM port will be listed here. If you're still not sure which device belongs to your modem, just unplug the modem's dongle and see which port will disappear from the list. That belongs to the modem. Note that if you unplugged your modem, don't forget to plug the dongle back to the PC first. Once you've identified the currently used port, head back to WME-Term and select this port. Now set the initial data transmission speed at boot rate and the data format field. For example, according to the 8N1 mode, select the corresponding value. Here is an option to enable the switch boot rate mode, which will handy during firmware updates. Now I will leave these settings on their default values and save this profile by pushing to the Save button. Now the serial port profile is ready to use. If you want to use it, just simply select the new profile at left bottom part of the screen, beside the Please select a connection profile title from the drop-down list. Let's quickly check if everything was set up correctly. After selecting the profile, click to the Device Information icon from the top toolbar. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a progress bar, which is indicating the connection status. Now the WME-Term is connecting to the modem and read out the current status. Soon you will receive the parameters were read out successfully message, along with the current status and essential information of the modem. If I wanted, I could even configure the modem settings here. Well, that's a topic for another video. That's how simple it is to create a connection profile and retrieve device status information. If you'd like to expand your knowledge about using the WME-Term software, just check out further video tutorials.